This is my reaction to Scum France Season 3, Episode 10, I believe the finale of Season 3. Now, important thing before I recap last episode like I normally do, important thing is that there is a petition, I believe, going around in order to get Scum France more seasons, being 5 plus, because Season 4 I'm pretty sure is already recorded and will be up after Season 3, so probably next week. But yeah, so for future seasons after that point, there's a petition. I'll link it down below. I'm sure most of you have heard it and or signed up by now. So this might be news that you already know. But if you haven't, it's down below in the description. It'll be there. Head on over. You can sign it and hopefully get more seasons for this show, because this show is really good. This season especially has blown me away. And yeah. So do that. Anyway, last episode. Luca was dealing with the fact of finding out that Elliot's bipolar, and yeah, he kind of was having trouble dealing with it at the beginning. So then we found out why Manon left Charles, because apparently Charles was being a dick and was like, oh, no, my brother didn't do really anything wrong, or like he deserves a second chance or something, and like started talking that shit. I'm like, what the fuck's wrong with him? Like, what is he on? Like, seriously, like, so that pissed me off. Then, the three of them being Luca, Manon, and Emma, decided to get drunk. Then Mikhail and Lisa walked in, and they also decided to get drunk. And then it was this big on makeout party with Manon and Emma, and Mikhail and Lisa. I think his name is Lisa, maybe. Regardless, and yeah. Also, by the way, people did say that there was a brief like second or two of Elliot and Lucille's kiss from the party in episode 3, I believe, or 4. One of those episodes. Anyway, yeah. So apparently, within there for like a brief second because Lucas was like hallucinating or something. So that was a cool Easter egg I missed, but people told me about it, so I now acknowledge it. Then Luca decided to go to church with his mother. However, his father did not show up because, yeah, we don't talk about him. Then Lucille texted him and was like, "I can't find Elliot. Do you know where he is?" And he ran because he knew where he would be, and he was there. He was at the tunnel place, and he was there, and he was crying, and it was sad. And he told him that he is not alone, and it was sweet and nice, sad but nice at the same time. So now we are watching the last episode of season. Season 4, I believe, is next week, so it won't be too long, or maybe the week after. So, but yeah, I am excited for this season. Well, I'm not excited for it to come to an end. I'm excited for this episode, but I'm going to be very upset when the season is over. This season, like I said earlier, has been incredible. It has surprised me in multiple ways that I did not think would be possible, but it is. And yeah, let's watch.
Comment il va?
Oh, hello.
Ça va. Ils ont dit quoi?
Sur quoi? Sur le fait qu'il soit chez toi? Ou que tu sois un mec?
Both. Actually, I would like them to answer both.
T'inquiète pas, Lucas. T'es pas le premier, tu sais.
Oh, right.
T'es pas comme les autres. En tout cas, il parle pas de toi comme les autres.
No, he does not.
C'est moi qui suis désolée.
Yep.
Même au début, entre nous, quand ça allait bien, il était pas comme ça. Je veux dire... pas comme avec toi. Mais... Des questions aussi. Quand il voudra bien y répondre.
Aww. Give him flowers.
Essaye de pas le brusquer, surtout. Et le plus important, Lucas... Profite des moments cool. Il y en aura.
Aww.
Plein même. Et ces moments justifieront tous les autres.
Well, he's staying home to watch Elliot.
T'es pas en retard?
Oh.
Si, mais t'inquiète, j'ai du temps. T'inquiète, va en cours, j'ai pas besoin de toi pour faire ça, bon.
Oh.
Centre médical gay, bi, asexué, réfugié sentimental, bonjour. Que puis-je faire pour vous?
Ça va?
Quoi, pas un rire?
Oh,
Non, je
that's
vais
McCall.
pas
I'm like, wait, was he
Ah,
calling?
c'est pour Lisa. En vrai, je sais pas si...
Tout le temps. Il faut que tu te relaxes. Imagine une seule seconde, ok? C'est le mec de ta vie.
Bingo.
Tu dois passer toute ta life comme ça? Ok. Tu bouffes déjà, voilà, tu sors avec nous, tu bois des coups, tu te bourres la gueule, tu rentres chez toi, tu mets du porno, Ah mais attends, mais en fait tu mets du porno gay, toi?
Ah oui, c'est vrai, ça.
Pas tout le temps derrière elle, à lui demander si ça va, à savoir si elle
la
a besoin de...
relation que t'as avec
Yeah,
ta mère,
that's
c'est pas
true.
la
He would
même
know
non plus
because
que-
his mom
D'accord,
is
très bien.
bipolar.
Ça, pour le coup, avec les bipolaires, quand ils sont dans leur phase, ils sont dans leur phase. Puis quand ils redescendent, ils redescendent. Alors là, c'est retour à la normale. Tu parles avec eux, tu t'en rigoles même. Enfin, et l'autre, c'est pareil. Faut juste attendre qu'ils reviennent à la surface.
If he's
En fait,
dropping
t'es
some
genre,
wise ass words right here.
beaucoup plus calé en bipolaire qu'en meuf, quoi. C'est pas une meuf, tu vois, plus ou moins.
Que mercredi, on organisait un sit-in pour le foyer pour
Oh yeah,
protester,
let's
quoi.
do that.
Ah non, mais carrément, mercredi, on sera là, ouais. Salut.
What are they playing?
Lisa, tu viens? J'ai besoin de toi pour, je sais, le... Bon, sérieux, j'en ai marre de trouver des excuses bidons. Allez, on bouge, ma grosse. Hein?
Non, je suis en train de gagner là, donc non.
Non, mais sérieux, là, ils ont besoin de parler, là. Donc, viens, s'il te plaît, viens.
What
Oui,
game
c'est
are
bon,
they playing?
j'arrive. Je commence vraiment à me sentir pas désirée dans cette coloc.
T'inquiète,
Oh.
c'est depuis le début.
Le truc, c'est que je sais pas comment contrôler ça. Et ça me tue. J'ai peur que tu puisses pas gérer. Et non, en fait, j'ai pas envie que t'aies à gérer. C'est-à-dire? C'est-à-dire que des fois, je vais pas être sympa, comme ce matin. Des fois, je vais dormir pendant toute une semaine. Des fois, j'aurai envie de rien. Des fois, je serai excité pour de la merde.
Et tout ça, je peux gérer, je crois.
Non, je suis sérieux, Lucas. Moi aussi. Oui, sauf que moi, je vais te faire vivre un enfer, tu vois. Je vais crier, je vais me barrer. Je vais t'en vouloir pour de la merde.
Okay.
Tu sais, j'ai un traitement pour ça. Des fois, je le prendrai pas. Sauf que ça changera. Ce sera à cause de moi. Et j'ai pas envie de ça. J'ai pas envie de ça. J'ai pas envie de te faire mal ou j'ai pas envie de te faire peur ou de te blesser. Non, mais ça arrivera en fait.
Eh, t'en sais rien. Moi aussi, je vais peut-être dire ou faire des trucs cons, ouais. Et je suis pas bipolaire.
Ça n'a rien à voir.
Et alors? Et alors? Tu vas bien faire avec, non? Moi aussi, j'ai plein de défauts. Moi aussi, je vais me barrer, je vais claquer la porte, je vais faire la gueule. Mais la vérité, c'est que je préfère que tu me saoules plutôt que tu sois pas là.
Oh.
Alors ouais, on verra. À partir d'aujourd'hui, on va faire au jour le jour. Non, on va faire mieux. On va faire minute par minute. C'était pas quand je rigole.
Oh, look how many people are in the sitting. Sit-in.
Bon alors, qu'est-ce qui se passe ici?
On fait un sit-in pour protester contre la fermeture du foyer.
Non, mais n'importe
Yeah.
quoi. Bon, allez, levez-vous, là.
No. Fuck off.
Vous pouvez pas rester là, tout le monde en classe.
Non, mais si on
est
est
en
en France, on a le droit de protester, non?
Yeah.
Grave, et en plus, c'est notre spécialité.
Mademoiselle Lecomte. Quoi? Pour tout vous dire, vous me décevez beaucoup.
Et laissez-la parler, monsieur.
Oh. Yeah.
Le foyer, c'est elle qui a tout fait. Non,
That-
enfin, je veux dire, c'est grave bien grâce à elle.
Ouais, c'est vrai, il a raison, ouais. Ouais, il a raison, c'est vrai ce qu'il dit, ouais.
On l'admire tous pour ça.
Grave,
Ouais.
c'est vrai.
Moi, je l'admire en tout cas.
Mais c'est bon, là, il a entendu là, c'est bon. Ouais, c'est très clair, je crois.
Parce que si on n'a pas cours ensemble, ou si on n'est pas devenus amis avant, ou si on n'a pas envie de pécho, de draguer quelqu'un, pardon, eh ben, on va pas le voir. On va pas lui parler parce qu'on a l'impression qu'on n'a rien à partager, et ça, c'est pas vrai. Mais c'est pas une raison pour fermer le foyer, parce que là, si le foyer ferme, on va tous redevenir des étrangers. Et on
She's
n'apprendra
right.
jamais à se connaître. Et on doit apprendre à se connaître.
Bon,
Arrête, tu vas nous afficher, gros, arrête.
Oh, nope, and now everyone's doing it.
Ouais, ok.
bon, d'accord, le foyer reste ouvert.
Yeah.
Pardon. Merci, Basile.
Que je suis lourd et que tu veux pas de moi, mais je vais essayer de m'améliorer.
Oh.
J'espère qu'un jour je serai assez bien pour toi. Salut.
Salut.
Ça va?
Wait, what's happening?
J'ai pas envie que tu partes.
Wait, where's he going?
Je pars parce que ça fait une semaine que je suis pas rentré. Je dois voir mes parents.
Oh, okay, he's not.
Je suis un peu plus de porter tes fringues là.
Oh, okay. I thought you were like leaving and like
C'est
moving
une
away.
Bah la taille déjà. C'est pas des adieux. Hein. Je sais. Je sais. On a dit minute par minute. Minute par minute. Lucas? Je t'aime. Moi aussi.
That was so sweet, but also so sad at the same time. Which is weird, because he's just going to his house. It's not like he's moving away. They'll see each other in like a day. And it was so sad. But also very sweet at the same time.
Genre, enfin, tu veux qu'on sorte ensemble? Genre pas que pour Ken, tu vois, genre... non?
T'es tombée amoureuse ou quoi?
Genre on saura jamais, quoi.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Bah,
Giving
oui.
it a try.
Je suis chaud.
Ça marche.
Yeah, okay, that's good. If it goes well,
Yeah.
great. If it doesn't, oh well.
Tu m'excuses, oui.
Oh no! Manon! Oh, Jan. It was a bad idea, but I knew you were gonna do it anyway, so. Hello?
Ouais. Ah ouais. Écoute, je me disais...
Ouais.
Est-ce que ça te dit
Oh,
qu'on baisse?
excuse me?
Là avec moi? Baiser avec.
Oh,
Bah ouais, carrément.
No.
Mais qu'est-ce qu'on attend?
oh no!
Non, attends, je peux
No!
pas.
Oh, good.
Quoi?
Parce qu'il y a une fille que je kiffe et je lui ai promis de devenir un mec bien pour elle.
There we go. I was gonna say.
Je peux pas. Désolé.
Cool.
Eh bah putain. Mec, je viens de rater ma seule
Oh.
chance de Ken cette année. C'est pas grave. Là,
Oh.
qu'est-ce que tu fais là? On avait 10 minutes par minute, non?
Et
Et depuis la dernière fois, je te dois 1573
Oh, wow.
minutes. C'est beaucoup de minutes à rattraper, ça, non?
Yeah, that's a lot.
Et t'aurais une idée de comment les rattraper? Ouais, une petite, ouais.
Oh, are they breaking up? They look like they're yelling. Oh no! Charles! He's a fucking dick. Why are you gonna make my girl cry like that? Seriously? We don't like this. Oh, I don't really like this either, to be fair. But, no. But... See, now this I like. See, there we go. That was my reaction to Scamfron Season 3, Episode 10, the Season 3 finale. So Lucille talked to Luca and pretty much explained to him, like, just to be there for Elliot during his manic episodes and just, like, be there for him and not push him into, like, talking or doing stuff, to just, like, be there for him and be ready for when he needs you. And then they said that they would take it minute by minute, which every time that gets me, every time. And then they managed to save the common room by doing the sit-in, and they get to keep the common room, which is great, because the mural gets to stay there, which is also great. And yeah, so everything worked out with the common room. Then there was a very sad scene, which is weird when you think about it, because it really shouldn't be a sad scene, because it's them saying goodbye, but he's just going to his house. And it's not like it's far away or anything, it's just he'll be there for like a day or two. And it's like just so like sad goodbye, and it's like, and it's weird because it's like he's not like moving away forever or like for a month or anything. It's just like a day or two. Apparently, how many? Like 15,000 minutes? How many days is that? How many days are? I don't know. Hold on, I'm looking this up because now I need to know. So give me a hot sec. So 15,000. I know it wasn't more than 50,000, but like I'm rounding to 15,000 divided by 60. Was 25 hours. So it was a little over. So 25 hours, I'm assuming. So it was like a little over a day. So and it's like weird because it was like because it was they were only separated for like almost like a little over a day, and yet it was still such a sad goodbye. And it's like, why am I so sad right now? They're gonna see each other in like a day or two, and it was still sad, but it was nice. And then they said I love you, so that was also sweet and sad at the same time. Then at their little common room opening party, it looked like Alex, girl Alex, and what's his face, her boyfriend. It looked like they were breaking up at the end because it looked like they were fighting. So they would break up. We'll find out next season, I would assume. Emma and boy Alex decided to give it a try and start dating. See if dating works. If not, then they might just go back to fucking again. Either way, they should be fine. Jan and Chloe, there might be something which not really a big fan of that if you ask me. Daphne and Basil though, however, I like that. So they're together, which is good. And then Manon, oh my god, Charles, what the fuck did he say to her? What did he do? Like he was in the season at all and he pissed me off. I mean, we don't know what he said to her, but like she ran into Emma's arms like crying, so clearly he said something bad. Charles. Like he can't just come back and everything be all happy go lucky now. He needs to like work his ass off to prove it. So if he does, or he just doesn't and we never see him again. So either way. Then Elliot did show up and said that he has to make up the like 1,500 plus minutes that he missed with Luca. So that was really sweet. And then at the end, I liked how they did that at the end where they showed him on. Just her looking at everyone and their like relationship drama or relationship stuff going on. She was just looking and watching, and which hints for season 4, because I'm pretty sure it's her season. So I like how they gave that the little like insight onto her season. So not really an insight per se, more just saying, hey, it's her season next season. Be ready. So yeah, season 3 is over. Season 4 will probably be next week, so it won't be too long till we get more of this. And like I said at the beginning, there's a petition in description to get this going for more than 4 seasons. So yeah, do that. Sign that. Do it. So yeah, that's it.